All right, so we went to Katinat Coffee House. We're going to do a review on all the different coffee houses that we see because there's one on every corner literally here. Our favorite is an espresso with some chocolate in it. So this is a chocolatey chocolate espresso drink. It was $2.18 US for a large. So here we go. I really like it. It's really chocolatey. You definitely taste the coffee in it, but I feel like you taste a little bit more of the chocolate maybe in it. I'd give this a good B+ grade here.
I like it a lot. I love chocolate coffee. I would say the coffee's a little bit weak in it, so if you're looking for like a really strong coffee drink, then this probably isn't the one for you, but the chocolate is excellent. What we like to do is add a little bit of extra espresso to it, and they won't do that at this place, but I give this one an A+ compared to some of the others that we've had already. Okay. So for me, it's an A because I like the chocolate in it, but I would like the coffee to be a little bit stronger.
Yeah, B+. It's good. Right. It's really good though.
Yeah,
it's
really very, very good. It's delicious.
On to the next one.
Next one.
So we're at a place today, and I'm going to butcher this name probably every time. It's called the Phuc, and we're going to have a coffee here. So Mocha iced blended drink here. That doesn't sound right, does it?
Stay up all night long.
So you can, let's try it out, the Mocha iced.
I don't want to spit this out all over my white shirt, so you go first.
First, I was very hot at the bottom for some reason.
That was Katinat's that way. You gotta like stir it up. Katinat's still my favorite, by the way, so far.
Pretty good. Pretty good. Really chocolatey. I can taste the coffee in this. It's unusual. And
oh yeah, the coffee is very prominent in the chocolate. I like that a lot.
Yeah, this is good here.
I really like it.
I'm gonna give the Phuc an A+.
Yes, I agree with that. And if you get the results of the name, then it's even better.
Yeah, A+ here.
Perfect.
So we're at Maison Marou. That's the name of the chocolate place that we saw on Netflix last night, and we've gotten their signature coffee here,
which is a chocolatey.
Chocolatey, and we're going to give it a try. Pretty good. Good. Really chocolatey.
Which is what they're known for.
Yeah, it's really good. I kind of taste the coffee in it. It's a pretty good blend.
I like it.
I love it. The taste is excellent.
Yeah.
I will say one thing. This was $4 for this size. So it ain't the best on your budget, probably. But rating-wise, I'm going to give this an A. It's delicious. It's worth getting one at least to try.
Yeah, for sure.
It's ice. You can definitely taste the chocolate in it.
Yeah.
It is really rich chocolate. I'm going to go for another one here.
Very good chocolate. I really like it. Very, very good.
Delicious, actually.
It's far surpasses.
It's the best one we've had out of the 3 we've tried so far.
Really good. Okay, so moving on with our coffee reviews, we're at Maison Cafe in Vietnam. They're really popular in Thailand. We came here, we got a chocolate frappe for about $2.15. So we're going to give it a go and compare it to the other ones we've already had. Tastes like a chocolate milkshake. Can't really taste the coffee. It's pretty good. I like it. I would say it's not as chocolatey as, what was the other place called?
Katinat.
Katinat. Forget my name. Not as chocolatey as that, but it's good. Be a little bit stronger on the coffee for me. So I give it a B compared to Katinat.
All right, let me see what I think. Replace the straw here. It's good. Chocolatey. Like you said, I don't taste any coffee in it. It does have more of a milkshake consistency. It's actually so icy, I'm having a hard time getting even a drink out of it. So, B. I'll give it a solid B.
Yeah.
Not as good as Katinat, like you said, but solid B.
Today we're at Highlands Coffee. We're going to give a chocolate espresso a try. It's called the Fendi Choco iced coffee. No jelly. No jelly on ours. So we're going to give it a try and compare it to all the others that we have tasted so far. Let's see. You can definitely taste the coffee. It's really good. I like this one.
Okay, let me try it real quick. Yeah, this is actually really, really good.
Yeah.
You can taste chocolate, the espresso equal, which is probably the first time I would say that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I highly recommend the Highlands. Now, this is a little more expensive than some of the other places.
This was $59K.
$59K.
For the large.
This is probably around $230, $240, but we'll put the price right here for you.
It's about 6 sips compared to 4.
That's about right. Too much ice in all the drinks everywhere, but yeah, Highlands. Also a great place to use the restroom.
All right, I'm going to have the rest of it. Let's go. We hope you enjoyed our coffee video, and we hope this helps you narrow down your choices when you're here in Vietnam. Don't forget to watch our next video, and to be weird, it's more fun.